Well, we were quite fortunate. We've been using the Quidel Sofia 2 rapid lab analyzer for a couple of years to do testing for things like influenza, strep, and Lyme disease. A few months ago, that company received emergency use authorization from the FDA to perform SARS-CoV-2 rapid antigen testing. This differs from the lab send-out tests, the ones that take a few days, in that it's a rapid antigen test. The sensitivity when it was put on the market was considered to be 80%, meaning it could miss positives up to 20% of the time. If a person with symptoms presents for testing, they're quickly tested. We get a result in 15 minutes. If that test is negative, the test should then be sent to the lab to ensure it is negative before considering a person truly negative. So we've been using the Sofia rapid antigen test exclusively since we started testing on site, but now we are starting to have access to a new tested device. It's the Abbott ID Now molecular assay for SARS-CoV-2. It detects COVID-19. The sensitivity rivals that of a laboratory. For that reason, when we test on that device, unless there's a good reason not to believe the result, that test can be considered final and does not have to be sent off to the lab for confirmation. Yeah, I think access to rapid testing is very limited.
My wife is in a nursing home in Syracuse. We have to visit nursing homes within 7 days of having a COVID-19 test. However, the nursing home that my wife lives in will only accept visitors on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So because of the 7-day window, scheduling a COVID test and getting into the nursing home is a very severe problem. Fortunately, I was able to get a COVID test today in Pulaski, so I hope to see my wife next week.
It has been my understanding that perhaps one place in Watertown has now picked up rapid testing. I believe Oswego now has rapid testing. I'm not sure how their supply chains are, and I'm not sure about Syracuse, but I know we've been fielding calls from places that are asking me questions about the test that we use and the Abbott that we now have gotten into our arsenal as well.